just going to run through some beach etiquette tips when you're driving on the beach. Most people like to drive down nice and close to the surf there where the sand's nice and compact. But if you have a vehicle approaching the other way, you can have that awkward dance where you don't know whether one person's going to go high, one person's going to go low. And that's where the indication works well. So I throw my left indicator on, and that indicates to him that I'm staying low. He knows he's going to pass me on the right hand side as we go past. Be careful when you're driving along the beach. Obviously you've got kids, families, fishermen coming down to the surf. Now when you're out on that beach with the wind, the surf in the background, it is very hard to hear a vehicle coming. So if you see some people just want to slow down, go nice and slow past them in case they haven't heard you coming. You'd hate to see them run out in front of you while you're driving along. Other things to be careful of is obviously you want to stay away from the sand dunes. So those sand dunes there have taken a long time to form, and they're what keep these beaches the way they are so that we can enjoy them. If we start tearing up those sand dunes, that sand's going to blow away, wash away, we're going to lose more and more beach, and it'll all end up being closed down so we won't be able to enjoy it anymore. And of course, while driving on the beach, all your local speed limits and road rules do apply, so making sure you've got your seatbelt on and just making sure you're obeying any local speed limits that may be on the beach. Some of your more popular beaches will actually have speed signs on the beach, especially through the camping areas and the more popular areas there. Another bit of beach etiquette, guys, is when it does come time to park up on the beach, it's always a good idea to park up nice and close to the sand dunes with the vehicle facing down towards the surf. A couple of reasons that you want to do that is, one, it makes it easier for oncoming traffic to see that you are parked up. Two, you're facing downhill, so it makes it nice and easy when it's time to pull away there. And three, who wouldn't love just sitting here and enjoying that view that we've got there in front of us?